day 23 of the 25 days of Christmas. We are so close to Christmas, it's unbelievable. First, start off by putting the Kylie Jenner liquid lipstick in Bite Me on my eyebrows, and then I cover them in the Marianne glitter fixer gel because I am creating glitter brows. So I get a red glitter and just put it all over my brows. Once I've done that and I've wiped off all the excess on my face, I then put a concealer on my eyelids as a primer. I use the shade called Hatter in the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and it's this really gorgeous Christmassy green, and I blend that into my crease, also bring it a little bit down into my nose contour and wing it out at the side. Using a green glitter from the Delancey glitter palette, I tap a green glitter all over my crease. I then use my Kylie Jenner glitter eyes in the shade Hello Gorgeous and create a cut crease. I wanted this to be a little more glittery than metallic, so I put some Marianne glitter fixer gel on it and then placed a holographic gold glitter over the top. I did my base off of camera and then I went into the Violet Voss Le Macaron palette and went into a metallic green that was in there and blended it out on my bottom lash line. Once I've done my contour, I start to do my blush, and like I have been doing with most of these Christmassy looks, I use a red eyeshadow for my blusher. Going back into that glitter Delancey palette, I use the gold glitters that are in there and tap them on my cheekbones, above my eyebrows and a bit on my nose. Going back to the Kylie Jenner lip kit in Bite Me, I put that on my lips. I next put on some mascara and some false eyelashes, and then I found these tiny little metallic cardboardy holly leaves that are for decorating presents and cards, but I used them and stuck them with eyelash glue on the corners of my eyes. Lastly, I decided that I wanted my lips to match my brows, so I got some of that Marianne fixer gel, smothered it all over my lips and then smothered them in glitter. To finish this look off, I put on this red wig and this crown, and I decorated my hair with anything Christmassy I could find. I then put a red ribbon around my neck as a choker, and we are done. We have a Christmas queen. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please make sure to press the thumbs up button down below and leave me a comment. If you do not want to miss any more of my future makeup videos, because this 25 days of Christmas is not over yet and 2019 is going to be even better, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. If you would like to see pictures of all my looks, make sure you're following me on Instagram. My name is @Brooke.Ellis_. It will come across the screen and also be linked in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!